In this video, I'll show you exactly how to display a Gantt chart in Asana to better visualize your project timeline. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a quicker way to organize tasks, stick around to learn how to make your workflow more efficient using Asana's Gantt chart feature. And remember, you can access Asana for free with exclusive bonuses from the first link below. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is ensure you have a project set up in Asana. If you haven't already, go ahead and create a project. You can choose a blank project or use one of Asana's templates, depending on what suits your needs. Once you've got your project, the next thing you'll do is head over to the timeline view. If you're on a task-based view, don't worry, switching to timeline is simple. Just click on the timeline tab, which is usually found at the top of your project. This gives you a great visual representation of your project in a Gantt chart style where tasks are displayed along a timeline. The next thing you'll want to do is add tasks and assign them to team members. You can do this by simply clicking on the plus sign or selecting Add Task and filling in the task name, due date, and assignee. As you add your tasks, you'll see them automatically populate along the timeline based on their due dates. Once your tasks are in place, you'll want to connect them using dependencies. Dependencies are really important in a Gantt chart because they show which tasks need to be completed before others can start. You can set a task to be dependent on another by clicking and dragging a little arrow from one task to another. This is a great way to visually see which tasks are interdependent, making sure your project moves smoothly from start to finish. Next thing, let's talk about customizing your Gantt chart. Asana allows you to adjust the timeline, set milestones, and color code your tasks for easy tracking. Customizing the view like this helps to highlight critical stages of your project and can help keep you and your team on track. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that you can easily track your progress. Asana's Gantt chart will automatically show your project's progress based on the completion of individual tasks. You can see how much work is remaining and how tasks are progressing, which is a great way to stay ahead of deadlines. Lastly, if you need to share your Gantt chart with other stakeholders, Asana makes it super easy. You can invite people to your project or share a link to the timeline. This ensures everyone involved can keep track of the project's progress in real time, helping avoid any miscommunication. Before we wrap up, make sure to check out the exclusive offer to get Asana free from the first link below. It's a great chance to dive into using Gantt charts for your projects with no commitment required. So there you have it. You now know exactly how to display a Gantt chart in Asana to better manage and track your projects. Don't forget, Asana offers a free version with exclusive bonuses available via the first link below, so you can get started without any cost involved.